My name is Amy Smith, and I'm an academic counselor for the College of Music and Dramatic Arts at Louisiana State University. The goal of this tutorial is to provide tools and resources necessary to help students effectively schedule for the semester and to be aware of services provided for them. As you watch this tutorial, several helpful resources will be referenced. Please ensure the video settings display annotations and the in-video notifications are set to on in order to access these resources. The Schools of Music and Theater within the College of Music and Dramatic Arts offer a comprehensive selection of degree programs. The Office of Student Success offers services such as freshman advising or general advising, helping a student to change their major or minor, as well as going over degree audit requirements and other helpful policies at LSU. In addition, we review the 8-semester path, which helps you to know which courses to take each semester. As the academic advisor for College of Music and Dramatic Arts students, I'm going to be your primary contact if you are in need of advising services or general academic and career guidance. Please contact me at asmith10@lsu.edu or call the Office of Student Success at 225-578-9268. We are located in the School of Music, room 102 when you first walk in the building. Now I'm going to reference several undergraduate resources which will be helpful for you as you prepare for your first year at LSU, or even if you're a current student. The Undergraduate Student Handbook is one of those primary resources. Undergraduate students should consult the School of Music Undergraduate Student Handbook for detailed policies and procedures related to their undergraduate career in the LSU School of Music. This is located on the LSU School of Music webpage. You will select Resources, then you will select Student. On the right side of the webpage, select 2018-2019 Undergraduate Handbook. The handbooks are updated for the academic year every summer. Undergraduate students in the School of Theater should consult the School of Theater Undergraduate Student Handbook for detailed policies and procedures related to their undergraduate career here at LSU. You can locate this resource on the LSU School of Theater webpage. Again, you will select Resources, and from that drop-down menu, you will select Student. Then you will select 2018-2019 Undergraduate Handbook. This would automatically populate the PDF handbook. The handbook includes policies, guidelines, deadlines, and helpful hints to assist you in the completion of your undergraduate degree. Becoming thoroughly familiar with the handbook as well as curriculum guides and 8-semester recommended paths are key pieces that will allow you to be prepared in the initial stages of your degree all the way until graduation. Now we will review schedule instructions. This is going to be a step-by-step guide to successfully register for the semester. The goal of this tutorial is to cover in detail, so please follow along. Please note as well, if you are an incoming student intending to participate in orientation, you will not have access to registration or scheduling at this time until orientation occurs. The first step that you will want to take is to log into your MyLSU portal. This is my.lsu.edu. Next, you will click Registration Services. This is located on the left-hand column. From there, you will then click Schedule Request. The next step is to select the campus in which you are wanting to schedule for. So this would be LSU. And then from there, you will click the semester you want to schedule for. Right now, we are referencing fall of 2019. The next step is to click View Schedule Request. This will allow you to then choose the classes you want to add. To add a course, enter the department and then the course number. You can also enter the section number if you already know it, or if you need a list of the available sections, you will click the question mark box displayed, and this will automatically populate all the available sections that you can choose from. If you need to understand if there's a prerequisite for this course, you can also click Prerequisites. This will automatically populate any prerequisites that are required for this course. The next step is to choose your desired class by clicking on the highlighted section number. The schedule request screen will now display the correct section number that you have chosen. You then click Add Course. This successfully will add the course and section that you have selected to be enrolled in. and it should populate on your current schedule. If the course is not available or if it is full, a red heading will appear at the top of the screen stating that the course is no longer available. If you desire to drop a course, click the drop button to remove the course from your current schedule. This will automatically update your schedule as well as your hours. Now let's talk a little bit about some of the terms I just mentioned, such as prerequisites and waitlist. Often students are familiar with these once they have been at LSU for a while, but as an incoming student, these are new terms which we don't hear in high school. So prerequisites or co-requisites are certain courses that are required before taking another course, essentially. Students are expected to consult with the LSU General Catalog to ensure that they are meeting the prerequisites or co-requisites required. These are also automatically audited by the system itself. So if you go to schedule a course, it will tell you a prerequisite is needed and will not allow you to schedule it unless you have met that prerequisite. Please know if for some reason it is not automatically stated that the prerequisite is needed, students are still given the full responsibility of knowing whether or not a prerequisite is required. So you'll want to become familiar with the general catalog, which can outline all of this for you. Next, we're going to talk about waitlist. This is a term that you heard me use previously in the instructions. Waitlists are very common for students to encounter when scheduling a course for the semester. A waitlist is a way for students to get open seats in a course which is currently full. This does not ensure that you will for sure be able to enroll in the course, but at least allows you to be in a waiting line or the wait list in order to move forward towards that goal. Students are automatically moved off of a waitlist and into their enrolled course as the waitlist updates. If a student in the class drops their section, then it will create a new opening for the next person on the waitlist to move into. This is automatically done and students are notified via email when they are moved off a waitlist and into an enrolled course. The best way for you to monitor this is to continue checking your email as well as your current schedule request. In addition, know that if you are scheduling a course and you have chosen for it to be a waitlist course because it is full, you can go ahead and schedule another course at that same time, and when you are moved off the waitlist into your desired class, your schedule will automatically drop the class that you had in its place as a hold. This will be notified via email for you to be aware of. Now I'm going to reference academic calendar dates, which are important for you to know as an incoming student or current student. Academic calendar dates can be located in the academic calendar for the current year. I'm going to highlight a couple of key dates. On behalf of the Office of Student Success and the College of Music and Dramatic Arts, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this advising video. We hope that you will now feel prepared for scheduling for your semester. If you have any questions, the contact information will be provided at the end of this video, and you can contact me directly for any concerns or questions you might have in order to prepare for the fall successfully. I look forward to seeing you, and welcome to LSU.